Hey, what's up guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, I've got some exceptional video footage. You're going to see video footage of stationary objects parked in the nighttime sky, one being described as very wide, as you're going to see in this video footage here in just a moment from multiple locations. Very cool video footage you'll definitely want to stick around for. But first, over here at the homepage of the website, today's feature photos of monsoon lightning as storms rolled through the southeast valley last night around 9:30 p.m., bringing high energy storms with a little bit of rain and a lot of lightning. Checking in on the GOES X-ray flux over here at the Space Weather Prediction Center. We're right in the middle of what could be an M-class solar flare as I do this video. See the vertical lines? That is a flare in progress to go along with the 4 M-class solar flares that we've seen in the last 24 hours. And the source of these large solar flares is right here. The Earth-facing side of the sun is loaded with sunspots in active regions. Looking at the Schumann Resonance, pretty quiet the last 72 hours. But 4 days ago, there was a large spike that lasted about 6 hours. Other than that, the Schumann's been pretty quiet. Checking in on the power outage situation over here at poweroutage.us. There's nearly 20,000 customers right now in New Mexico without electricity, and I don't believe those are weather-related. However, that's not the case in Missouri. Over 10,000 customers without electricity, and those are weather-related. And speaking of weather, I received this video today by Laura out of Venice, Florida from August 1st of 2023. She took this video early this morning of this spectacular low-to-the-ground roll cloud above Venice, Florida. Great video footage once again by Laura out of Venice. Hopping over to the Yellowstone supervolcano caldera, looking at the seismographs that monitor the mighty supervolcano. Some sort of weird activity going on up here at Mammoth Vault. You can see the dark blue, which represents magma intrusion, but the data, for whatever reasons, is appearing on the graph sometimes in a slant. I don't know what's going on up there. A little bit of earthquake activity over here at the east entrance and up here at the northeast entrance, but other than that, pretty quiet at the supervolcano. I have a UV reading to share with you guys by Darren out of Abbotsford, British Columbia from yesterday at high noon. The UV was 12.09. That was the high reading at high noon up in Abbotsford, British Columbia. The reading out here in Arizona was around 11.5 at high noon. So once again, the UV up in British Columbia was slightly higher than it was out here in Arizona. And speaking of Canada, I received this video footage from Mary Hall taken on July 30th of 2023, just a couple of days ago. As the space station was cruising over Canada, you could see the very thick wildfire smoke visible from 250 miles above planet Earth, and it's still very thick. And again, this video footage is from a couple of days ago, and I don't think the wildfire situation has changed much in the last 48 hours. Wildfires are still running very strong all across Canada. Okay, now to the video footage of these unusual objects in the nighttime sky. We're going to Upland, California, and we're going to San Dimas, California. These locations are about 20 miles apart, but from these locations, 2 different people that don't know each other spotted a mysterious object in the nighttime sky. They took a video of this object, shared it with me. I'm sharing it with you guys. The first video is from Upland, California, taken by Chris back on July 3rd of 2023 at 2:33 in the morning. It has narration. I want to share that narration with you guys, and here we go.
Let's zoom in on that. What is that? It's not a Chinese lantern.
It's really wide.
It's huge, whatever it is.
Yeah,
look at the size of it above the mountains.
Yeah, that's
And it's definitely above the mountains. It's not.
a really, whatever it is, it's extremely wide.
It's not a planet for sure.
No. Oh, it's going dim in light. You see that? It looks like as if really, really, really wide, thin, orange saucer.
Yeah, it's like, but you can see it's above the mountain. It's not on the mountain.
It's
It's
not
above
on
the
the-
mountain.
Make it look brighter. What is that?
I don't know. I tried snapping a couple pictures.
Let me see if I can zoom into it.
That's me moving the camera around, trying to get a steadier shot. Let me zoom out. Damn it. Let me try and get some pictures.
What an incredible video, and here's some still images of that mysterious object spotted from Upland, California, above the mountains. And as they were describing this mysterious object, they were emphasizing how wide it was, and at times they thought it looked like a thin, wide saucer with multiple lights on it, as you can see right here in these still images. And the lights were not blinking. They appeared to remain the same color and shape the entire time they witnessed this thing from Upland, California, and it was out above the mountains. Some sort of a huge object parked in the nighttime sky at 2:33 in the morning. Now we're going from Upland right over here to San Dimas, and here's video footage that was taken just a few days ago of a mysterious object in the nighttime sky. Video by Alejandra from July 28th at 9:43 p.m., who also noticed something just parked in the nighttime sky. There it is, another large object. Doesn't appear to be as large as what Chris saw, but this is some sort of a big light in the nighttime sky that's just sitting there, not making any sound. It's not moving up or down, side to side, no blinking lights. Much bigger than any type of drone I think I've ever seen. Another huge light not too far from Upland, spotted in the nighttime sky. This object remained in the same location the entire length of the video, and I think they continued to watch this thing as it didn't disappear. They just stopped videoing the object, shared it with me. I'm sharing it with you guys. Here's yet another one. We're going to Dallas, Texas. Video by Cameron. Goes back to July 5th of 2023, who's been noticing this object in the nighttime sky above Dallas. This object too is remaining in the same location. It's not blinking, it's not moving up or down, side to side, just kind of hangs around in this same area, and it's a pretty good size light. This one here has kind of a reddish color to it, but it lasts way too long to be a Chinese lantern. This is a video in fast forward. The video was around 2 or 3 minutes long, so I put it in fast forward for presentation purposes, but Cameron saw this. He's seen this multiple times in the sky above Dallas, Texas, and this video goes back to July 5th of 2023. And we're going from Dallas back to California. We're going to Modesto, California. This video was taken by Central Valley Skywatcher, who appears to have seen what looks like the same light that was spotted by Cameron, that was spotted by Alejandra, and he spotted this at 12:20 a.m. on July 24th from Modesto, California. Another large mysterious light, not making any sound. It wasn't blinking, just kind of hanging around in the nighttime sky, and had a very mysterious presence about it, like the other lights we saw from Upland, from Dallas, and from San Dimas. And this light here was spotted from Modesto, California. Great video footage, guys. Keep the videos and photos coming. If you guys have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports@mrmbb333.com. If you guys have any videos you'd like to share that are too large to attach to the email, come over here to the homepage of the website. You can always find a link down below in the description box. Look for this red tab that says have a large video. Simply click on the red tab. It's a Dropbox. Drag and drop your video into the Dropbox. Please include your first name, date, and location, and I'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.